So now, who will tell me? Please type in the chat box what we have studied till now, and we'll start from the point where the thief went to the king. कौन बताएगा? Gariman, is your mic working? Gariman, no. देवांशी, अब ये 3-4 बच्चे ही है, मुझे पता है. उदय आंसर करेगा, राहुल करेगा, मनंत करेगा, मनन करेगा. That's it. Devanshi, can you answer? Devanshi, unmute your mic, beta. No, she also can't answer. Anyways, so I have, okay, Manan, better you answer. Manan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Please, वहाँ से start करो. जब the thief he goes to the king and tell us what we have studied till now. What happened? Manan, tell me, did we complete this chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, we've completed. चलो ठीक है. और ये भी हो गया क्या? Question answers हो गए?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All the questions. ठीक है. Anyways, so we'll start with the recapitulation only then. चलो Manan, hurry up. Tell me the story. Manan, क्या हो गया बेटा? Okay, who wants to recapitulate the story starting from when the thief goes to the king? कौन करना चाहता है? Type in the chat box. Rahul, yes बेटा, करो.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, yes, Rahul, please.
Ma'am, when the thief brother went to the king's court, he told that my brother was killed. Ma'am, from there only, no?
Yes, from there.
Ma'am, he told that the merchant killed my brother. He murdered my brother. Then the king informed his brother to take him in the courts. Then the merchants came in the court and he said that this is not my fault. It was built by my father's time, and the bricklayer, I know who was he. Then the bricklayer came. The king asked that you killed his brother and you have to be punished. Then he said, it is not my fault also. It is the fault of the girl dancing girl who was up and down in the street. Then the king asked to came the dancing girl in the king's court. Then the dancing girl came into the king court and she says, this is not my fault also. This is a fault of a goldsmith who was not to build my jewelry, and from his fault I was up and down the street a whole day. Then the king asked to take the goldsmith, and the goldsmith came and he said, the rich merchant told me to build my jewelry because there was a wedding in his house. Then then the king told the merchant that your father, this is your father's fault, but I gave punishment to you. Then he said, this is not my fault, this is my father's fault. Then he said, your fathers die and someone has to be punished. Then the
Okay, very good, Rahul. Very good, Rahul. Who will continue now? Who will continue? Manant, will you continue? Manant, please, you have to write in the chat box if there is some problem with your mic. कौन कंटिन्यू करेगा? एनीबडी? Okay, nobody is continuing. So Rahul, तुम ही continue करो फिर, since nobody is speaking.
Ma'am, then Goldsmith said that this is his father's fault. Then the king ordered that he has to be punished. And then the thin man, he was the thin man the merchant was the thin man. The merchant's son was a thin man. Then he took the to the stake, sorry, stake. He took the stake, and the stake, and he was thin. Because of thin, the stake was he was not fitted in the stake. Then the king ordered that the fat man has to be uh, took on the stake, and he ordered to take took a fat man. Then the disciple was walking in the street. Then was walking in the street. Then uh, the the king's police, they took the disciple, and he was took to the strike. Then he was naming his guru, and his guru has a vision of uh, vision. Then his guru came, and he told
Just wait, Rahul. Very good, Rahul. Varun, can you continue now?
Yes, ma'am. From where?
Yeah. Continue. When the disciple calls his guru.
No, ma'am. The disciple calls his guru and say the guru has magical power. So the guru listens to his voice and comes there. Then he first scolds the disciple that why didn't you uh, why didn't you thing that I was telling that we should not live here in the city of fools, and then they made a plan in their mind, and then they were fighting that I will die first and I will die first. So they both were arguing, and then the king thought that there is any problem, and so the king wanted to see what's the problem between both of them, why they want to die first. So the king asked the guru that why do you want to die first? We have caught him because we want a fat man to fit in the stake. Then the guru said that I will say you, but first you should give me a solemn word that first you should give me a promise that you will put me to death first. Then the king gave him a solemn word and said, I will first let you die. Then the guru take him to the corner and said in his ears that and this is the stake of God of justice, and whoever no criminal has died on it first. So who one dies on it first will be the king of this kingdom, and who one dies second will be the minister. So the king was in a thought, and he let the execution go one day. He postponed the execution. So in the night, the king and his minister were thinking very well, and they thought that we should not leave this kingdom like this. In this life, we are the king, but in another life, we should not give another body a chance to be the kingdom of the king of this kingdom. So they said these executors and told them that we will send the criminals in the night, and whoever comes first, you should let first him die, and whoever comes second, you will make him die second. So the king and the minister freed the guru and disciple, and wore their clothes and went to the executors. The king went first and he was executed first, and the minister went back of him and he was executed second. And then from in the morning when the executors throw the body to the crows and vultures, everybody saw that they were the body of king and his minister, and they're all in the thought that who will rule this kingdom after this, you know. So at the time the guru and the disciple were walking out without informing anyone from the kingdom, and all of the villagers told them to be the next king of our kingdom. So but the disciple was agreed very fast, but it took some time for the guru to be managed, but and the guru was also managed to be the king of the kingdom. And that's how, but the said that we will make the law that day is goes to night, we will change it to day is day and night is night, and nothing will be available for a single to do.
Yeah, very well said, Varun. You've not missed all the point. You've not missed any point. And the best thing I like about your presentation is that you have your speaking is that you have used all the focus words. तो चिल्ड्रन, जब मैं आपको चैप्टर पढ़ा रही थी, बार बार मैं आपको फोकस वर्ड्स के बारे में बोल रही थी. And you can see that Varun has used all the focus words. So please reread the chapter, underline the focus words that have been told or which you feel you can use in your exams or in writing your answers, and just remember them, right? Now, my plan for today is this, that we are going to, but your class is so unresponsive. How do you expect me to conduct this? मैं ही आंसर बोलती रहूंगी तो there's no point ना. Okay, now who has joined new? Who will answer? Okay. Is my voice clear now? Please type in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, children, there are sometimes there are network issues. So just because my voice breaks once, don't start typing in the chat box. Wait, karo. We all know there are network issues. And especially with the weather being as it is today, there is bound to be network issues. Anyways. तो देखो बच्चों, यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ और एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस लिखे हैं. Why did the guru want that he and his disciple should die first? Can you do it? You have
Yes,
to say
ma'am.
yes or no.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Very easy. Guru and his disciple should die first because in the next birth, the focus word here is next birth and not that same birth. They will be reborn as the king and the minister. When does the disciple remember the word of his guru? क्या कर लोगे? Everybody answer.
Ma'am, when was he in divisor?
Yeah, when he was being put on the stake. Okay, next. Why did the king decide to postpone the execution of the guru and his disciple? ये भी हो जाएगा.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the guru's wisdom? When does the disciple remember this? Yeah, this question. Who will answer? Manand. What is the guru's wisdom? When does the disciple remember this? ये question कौन answer करेगा?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, please. Who is it? Just tell me your name.
Manan.
Manand, बोलो.
Ma'am, he remembers the words that the words are the fools are. This is the kingdom of fools, and the fools can do anything. You don't think you could not?
Ma'am, may
I think there are some network issues. Somebody
Ma'am,
else.
can I? Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
Yeah, you-
may I?
Okay, कौन है जिसने अभी तक आंसर नहीं किया? Let me see.
Ma'am, may I answer?
No, Varun, you have answered once. Who else wants to answer?
Ma'am, can I?
Sure, Rahul, please. Rahul, answer. Question number 4. What is the guru's wisdom? When does the disciple remember this?
Ma'am, the Guru's wisdom that when the disciple wants to be there in the kingdom, then the Guru said, "This is the kingdom of fools, not stay there." Then the disciple was not follow the Guru's instruction. Then he want to be there. When the disciple was in danger, he remembers he was remembered the name of the Guru, and with the vision, with the eye vision, the Guru came, and that's how he was. You remember his wisdom.
Okay, children. जो आप लोगों ने आंसर्स दिया है, आई हैव जस्ट वन इशू विद दैट आंसर कि किसी ने ये जो क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज द गुरुज विजडम, इसको एड्रेस नहीं किया है.
Ma'am, may I?
या प्लीज.
Ma'am, Guru's wisdom was that he told that they all are fools, and we can't know that what can they do do with you next.
एग्जैक्टली करेक्ट आंसर यही आएगा, बस तुम्हारी लैंग्वेज थोड़ी सी चेंज होगी. The Guru's wisdom was that we should not stay in the company of fools. वो यही बोलना चाह रहा था ना कि fools के साथ क्यों रहना है. So the Guru's wisdom was that we should not stay in the company of fools. And of course वो बाकी आपने answers ठीक दे दिए. Who became the king and the prime minister we can answer. And on what conditions did the Guru and his disciple agree to rule the kingdom?
Ma'am,
Maybe
the
I'll come-
Guru and the disciple became the king and the minister of the
No.
kingdom.
Who is answering this?
Ma'am, Uday.
उधर बेटा वेरी गुड. बट देखो क्वेश्चन क्या है. On what conditions did the Guru and his disciple agree to rule that kingdom? The condition was that whatever rules had been made by the previous king, they have to be changed. Last paragraph याद करो. So the
Yes,
day
ma'am.
remains day and the night remains night. इसका आंसर ये आएगा. उस समझ में आ गया उदय?
Everything was not done by one Guru.
Yeah, of course. So three conditions: day becomes day, night becomes night, and everything is not available for one Guru. Okay. Last. Why were the people of the kingdom confused when they saw the dead bodies of the king and his minister? Yeah, tricky
Ma'am,
question.
may
अब वही बच्चे आंसर करेंगे क्या? Somebody who has not answered. आज मनंत कहाँ है? मनन ने तो आंसर कर दिया. मनन और मनंत में से किसने आंसर नहीं किया है? करो.
Ma'am, Manant has asked.
मनंत has answered. So मनन चलो. Last question.
Instead, instead of the Guru and the disciple,
Man, you are saying Manan or Manan?
instead of
मनन, अरे बाबा मनन कब तक तो चिल्ला रहे हो जिसने नहीं आंसर किया है आप.
Ma'am, Manan is saying that he had some network problem.
Oh, he has some network problem. Okay, anybody जिसका network ठीक हो, because I don't
Ma'am,
know
may I?
who is it. Varun?
May I? May I?
Yes, ma'am.
वरुण, राहुल, उदय, तीन लोग मुझे दिख रहे हैं. Okay, उदय. First we'll start with उदय. उदय आंसर करो ये question.
Now, he was taken with last of last year. Why were the people confused?
Okay, Uday's voice is not clear. Varun आंसर करो.
My voice is
Yes,
clear
ma'am.
now.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Varun, please answer.
Ma'am, the people of the kingdom confused when they saw the dead bodies of king and minister because they thought that if the king and minister will die, no one would be the future king of their kingdom.
Exactly, absolutely right. When your king and minister dies, you get confused because then you keep on wondering who's going to be the king and the minister, who's going to rule us. All right. Now, children, they were just revision questions so that the points of the story become yes.
Ma'am, they were also confused because the king and the minister were in the dresses of the Guru and the disciple.
Yes, of course, very good. This point also can be written, though it is not written as such in the chapter. But अगर आप ये point लिख देते हो तो वो wrong नहीं होगा. Now these questions, children, none of them have to be done in the book. ये सिर्फ revision के लिए थे. Sorry, none of them have to be done in the copy. They were only for revision. And now I come to another set of questions.
Ma'am, will
Yes.
you post these questions on stream?
बेटा already posted. मैंने stream से ही तो खोला तुम्हारे सामने.
Ma'am, I only saw the first questions. I can't open them.
Ma'am? Ma'am, we have to make only for one notebook for BI and movements.
Yes. One notebook only. सिर्फ चैप्टर के ऊपर नाम के साथ आप लिख दोगे whether it is from Beehive or it is from Moments.
Ma'am, in Beehive notebook, I have done 2 chapters of movements.
It's okay. It's okay.
Ma'am, Ma'am, I have done in 2 different copies, ma'am.
It's okay, beta. I am not very finicky about copies. मुझे सिर्फ काम होने से मतलब है. Even if you've made 2 copies, it is okay with me, right? But the rule is that you have to make 1 copy. Anyways, वो कौन था जो कह रहा था स्ट्रीम में ये क्वेश्चंस नहीं दिख रहे? बेटा, आई पुट इट ऑन द स्ट्रीम. तुम्हारे सामने मैंने स्ट्रीम से ही खोले हैं.
मैंने खोला था तो मेरे को ओनली फर्स्ट पेज दिखा, बाकी ब्लैंक दिख रहा था थोड़ा थोड़ा.
तुमने नीचे स्क्रॉल किया?
हाँ मैम, नीचे स्क्रॉल किया था. पता नहीं, शायद नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम से नहीं दिख रहा होगा.
Whatever, please check again. Otherwise, we are discussing them now. देखो टाइम बीतता जा रहा है. I had actually planned an activity for you people today, जहाँ पे हम नॉर्मल स्टेट और स्टेट ऑफ फूल्स इनके बीच में कंपैरिजन करते. आई विल कम टू दिस एक्टिविटी लेटर बिकॉज उससे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट मुझे ये पैसेजेस लग रहे हैं, बिकॉज आई डिस्कस्ड the paper pattern with you and you are going to get passages. Now if you remember, आपका part A of paper question number 3 is going to be comprehension passages from beehive and moments, right? तो ये उन comprehension passages के examples हैं. कैसे आएंगे? The only difference is going to be that the comprehension passages here 4 questions are given and this time you will be getting 5 questions. ये point सबको clear हो गया? Say yes.
Yes ma'am.
Right? तो अब मैं फर्स्ट कॉम्प्रिहेंशन पैसेज मैं आपको सॉल्व करके दिखाऊंगी, बाकी आपको खुद करने हैं. As far as writing in the copy is concerned, please write only 1 comprehension passage in your copy, maybe number 1. फर्स्ट वाले को सिर्फ कॉपी में लिखना, बाकी सब they are just for practice, right? तो question number 1 is, they finally agreed to rule the kingdom of the foolish king and the silly minister on the condition that they could change all the old laws. Who are they in the above lines? They in the above line refers to the guru and his disciple. What happened to the king and his minister? The king and his minister was killed because the king and his minister were executed on the stake because they wanted to be reborn as the king and minister of the country, of the kingdom. What were the old laws of the kingdom? The old laws of the kingdom were that the night is to be considered as day, day is to be considered as night, and everything was available for one to do. Find the synonym of the word unwitty from the above passage, that is foolish. All right, समझ में आ गया कैसे करना है? Say yes.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. तो अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 कौन आंसर करेगा? You have to read an answer. वरुण, राहुल, तुम 2 ही आंसर कर रहे हो, कोई और कर सकता है?
Ma'am, please show the screen.
मैं देख रही हूँ. एक सेकंड राहुल, आई एम वेटिंग कोई आंसर करे. हियर इट इज. Okay, who's answering? Rahul, please. हाँ, जल्दी करो बेटा. We have to discuss the value-based question.
Ma'am, the answer of A is guru.
No, not like this, beta. Please read out for the whole class.
No, ma'am, who is the speaker of the above lines? Ma'am, the guru is the speaker of above lines.
Okay, very good. Next question.
Ma'am, and ma'am, he is talking to ma'am king.
Correct.
Ma'am, he demanded to be executed.
Executed. Complete करो.
Ma'am, he demanded to be executed so that he would be the next king.
Correct. Or he demanded to be executed on the stake instead of the disciple. Right? तो मतलब सिर्फ he demanded to be executed.
Yes, ma'am.
We want to be king.
हाँ, मतलब कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. सिंपल सिर्फ एक देखो बेटा, लॉजिक ये कहता है कि 1 मार्क के क्वेश्चन में, सिंस इट इज 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन, एटलीस्ट 2 पॉइंट लिखने चाहिए. अब जैसे आप ये लिखते हो व्हाट डिड द स्पीकर डिमांड, ही डिमांडेड टू बी एग्जीक्यूटेड, तो मेरे मन में क्वेश्चन आता है व्हाई. तो ताकि एग्जामिनर को कोई पॉइंट ही ना मिले आपका आंसर काटने का, तो उसके साथ तुम इंफॉर्मेशन पूरी दे दो ना. एज इट इज 1 लाइन का ही आंसर है. So he demanded to be executed in place of the disciple, or he demanded to be executed on the stake because he wanted to be the king in the next birth, right? Okay, D. What do you mean by
Ma'am,
the keep your
ma'am,
word?
ma'am, the phrase "keep your word" means that, ma'am, to keep the promise.
वेरी गुड, यूर एब्सोल्युटली राइट. ओके, तो आई होप ये आपको कॉम्प्रिहेंशन पैसेजेस समझ में आ रहे होंगे. एक और कॉम्प्रिहेंशन पैसेज है, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गो टू दैट, प्लीज खुद
Ma'am,
कर लेना.
ma'am, we have to done all this in our notebooks.
अभी अभी मैंने क्या बोला था? ओनली वन कॉम्प्रिहेंशन पैसेज इन द नोटबुक, रेस्ट ऑल प्लीज. बेटा इतना कितना लिखोगे तुम लोग ना, सो जस्ट वर्बली डू इट. नो
Ma'am, the short and long answer are of the comprehension.
बाबा मेरे को फिनिश तो करने दो, कौन है ये? लेट मी फिनिश, आई टेल यू एवरीथिंग. देखो बच्चा, अब ये जो शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस हैं, दिस इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द 2 मार्क्स एंड 3 मार्क्स क्वेश्चंस. द अदर डे आई टोल्ड यू ना, बीहाइव और मोमेंट्स में से 6 क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, 3 फ्रॉम बीहाइव, 3 फ्रॉम मोमेंट्स, जिसमें से आपको 2-2 करने होंगे. एंड दीज शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस आर एक्चुअली एन एग्जांपल ऑफ 2 and 3 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन. ये 2 मार्क्स की तरह भी आ सकते हैं, 3 मार्क्स की तरह भी आ सकते हैं. 2 मार्क्स में आएंगे तो आपको 4 लाइन्स लिखनी है, 3 मार्क्स में आएंगे तो आपको 6 लाइन्स लिखनी है, राइट? तो व्हाट इम्प्रेस द डिसाइपल, एक बार ये सारे क्वेश्चंस पढ़ो एंड टेल मी कौन सा क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करना है, बिकॉज दे आर एक्चुअली वेरी इजी, वी हैव डिस्कस्ड देम. No problems?
No, ma'am.
Quite easy, children. As it is when we were reading the chapter, ये सब हमने पढ़े हुए हैं. अब
Very easy.
वेरी इजी, आई नो. इसमें से सिर्फ 2 क्वेश्चंस अपनी कॉपी में करने हैं. डोंट आस्क मी अगेन. शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस, ओनली 2 क्वेश्चंस इन योर कॉपी. नाउ हियर चिल्ड्रन, I have given you a list of long answer questions also, all 5 marks questions. देखा जाए तो हर उसमें सेम चीज ही हो रही है. इट्स अबाउट विजडम एंड फुलिशनेस. सो on the basis of your reading, give your views. Wisdom is worshipped everywhere when foolishness is our greatest enemy. इसको कौन आंसर करेगा? इसमें एक्चुअली आपको पूरी स्टोरी लिखनी है precisely, because remember it's a 5 marks question, you can't exceed 12 lines. तो कौन आंसर करेगा इसको? Nobody?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I mean, it is said that wisdom is worshipped everywhere when foolishness is our greatest enemy. Ma'am, because in the story, in first paragraph, we can see that everything was
Okay, just stop, beta. Just stop. Your voice is breaking. I'll answer. Now type in the chat box, children. Can you hear my voice clearly, everyone?
everything was turned day
रुक जाओ, तुम्हारी आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है.
Ma'am, your voice is clear, but Varun voice is breaking.
That's what I'm telling him. Varun, please stop now. I'll answer this question. देखो, ये जो क्वेश्चन है बेटा, इसमें लिखना सेम चीज है. आपको बेसिकली स्टोरी की समरी लिखनी है, बट द ट्रिक इज हाउ डू यू कंबाइन दिस लाइन विद योर आंसर. तो इसको आप ऐसे बिगिन कर सकते हैं. इट इज ट्रू, या इट इज राइटली सेड दैट विजडम इज वर्शिप्ड एवरीवेयर वेयर when foolishness is our greatest enemy. These lines are absolutely true, and they have been proved to be true by the means of a story that is given in our chapter, or by the means of the story The Kingdom of Fools. ये पॉइंट सबको समझ में आ गया?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? देखो, बेसिकली स्टोरी ही लिखनी है हमें, लेकिन हमें उसको इस लाइन के साथ टाई करना पड़ेगा. तो हमने क्या लिखा है? कि हाँ ये लाइन बिल्कुल ट्रू है, और हमें ये लाइन इस ट्रू है ऐसे इसलिए पता चला है क्योंकि हमने ये स्टोरी पढ़ी है, और फिर हम लिखते हैं कि उस स्टोरी में क्या होता है. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear to everyone? Now, question number 1, children, I want you to do in your copies. तो 12 lines कम से कम आपको लिखनी है.
Yes,
बाकी
ma'am.
क्वेश्चंस दे आर लाइक एन एग्जाम्पल. देखो कितने सारे क्वेश्चंस है. एज इन द स्टोरी इन द किंगडम ऑफ फूल्स ड्यू टू फुलिशनेस द किंग एंड हिज मिनिस्टर एवरीथिंग वाज ऑपोजिट एंड एबनॉर्मल. हाउ कैन पीस एंड हार्मनी बी एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन अ स्टेट? दूसरा क्वेश्चन है कि एक स्टेट में पीस एंड हार्मनी कैसे आ सकती है? व्हेन एवरीबॉडी इज वाइज, व्हेन एवरीबॉडी इज डूइंग देयर वर्क, व्हेन नोबडी इज ग्रीडी, व्हेन नोबडी ट्राइज टू एक्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर whims एंड फैंसीज. वो आप 3-4 पॉइंट लिख सकते हो. Then how was life different in the kingdom of fools? Again children, you see this can come as a 5 marks question also. तो पॉइंट क्या क्या है? डे वॉज नाइट, नाइट वॉज डे, एंड एवरीथिंग वॉज अवेलेबल फॉर वन टू डू. बट सिर्फ इतना नहीं लिख सकते, आपको और भी लिखना पड़ेगा. तो हियर यू कैन से, जो हमने पॉइंट्स डिस्कस किए थे, दैट द किंग वॉज सच अ बिग फूल दैट इवन अ थीफ कुड गो एंड आस्क फॉर जस्टिस. तो ऐसे आपको इस स्टोरी के साथ ये पॉइंट को टाई करना है. ये बात सबको समझ में आ गई
Yes.
है ना? व्हेन यू वंस यू हैव रिटन that day was night and night was day and everything was for one to do, apart from that you also have to write that the king was such a big fool
And
that
there was one point also.
yes, which one?
Ma'am, the steak one. Ma'am, the thin person was not fitted in a steak. He told to take a fat one.
एग्जैक्टली. तो इसमें से चिल्ड्रन आपको कोई ना कोई पॉइंट अपनी स्टोरी में से ही निकाल के इसको 10 या 12 लाइंस का क्वेश्चन बनाना पड़ेगा, राइट?
Yes, ma'am. We have to long.
Long, I mean 12 lines and nothing out of the context. The disciple has done nothing wrong. Why was he arrested? ये आप लिख सकते हो. इसमें पूरी स्टोरी लिखनी पड़ेगी. Greed leads to grave. Explain this statement in the context of the story in the kingdoms of fool. इसमें बेसिकली हमें डिसाइपल की स्टोरी लिखनी है.
About disciple. He
है
was
ना?
greedy.
How he was greedy, he loved food. Then when he saw that everything is available for one to do, so he wanted to stay back. Right? ये लिखना है.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
वो पूरी स्टोरी लिखनी है मैम. The thief was killed and
नहीं, आपको डिसाइपल से शुरू करना है. Now in question number 5, the disciple is going to be the focus. So just say that the disciple stayed back because he wanted to eat food. Then one day a thief came. He implicated the bricklayer. The bricklayer implicated the dancing girl. The dancing girl implicated the merchant. And the merchant, because he was very thin, hence the disciple was to be hanged on the stake. Hence we see that just because of his greed of having food, he was going to go to his grave, but luckily he was saved by his guru at the last moment, right? Again, question number 6.
yes,
Now
ma'am.
justice,
Very easy. Ma'am, from merchant to merchant.
now justice had come in full circle. Explain. तो basically आपको ये story ही explain करनी है. बस उसमें ये point लिख देना है that the story started with the implication of the merchant and ultimately it was found out that he only was in fault.
Ma'am,
समझ में गया? Yes.
now how many question we have to write long question?
देखो लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन सिर्फ ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 लिखना है कॉपी में. बाकी इट इज ओनली फॉर प्रैक्टिस, राइट? सो दैट यू नो इट इज देयर इन योर स्ट्रीम. अगर आप स्ट्रीम नहीं खोलना चाहते हो, आप एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस करके ये क्वेश्चंस उतार के भी रख सकते हो, ताकि एग्जाम के टाइम पे आपको ये कंफ्यूजन ना हो कि इसमें कौन से लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस आएंगे. एंड I am repeating again, children, these are not the only long questions. In literature, in class 9th and 10th, any question can come. So I have tried to sort of prepare you for as many questions as possible. But जरूरी है तुम बोलो कि मैम आपने तो 6 ही क्वेश्चन करवाए थे, 7th कहाँ से आ गया? तो ऐसा नहीं है. There are n number of questions, anything can come. ये सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस के लिए है. तो होमवर्क में याद रखो, बुक एक्सरसाइजेस करनी है. लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चन में से क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 करना है. शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चंस में से एनी 2 करने हैं, जो भी आपको सबसे डिफिकल्ट लगे. और रेफरेंस टू कॉन्टेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में से आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 करना है. इज इट क्लियर? एनी डाउट्स? एनी डाउट्स चिल्ड्रन?
No, ma'am.
Okay, if that is the case, then that is the end of my class and the end of this chapter also. I will post in the stream कि हम Monday को क्या करेंगे. All right? Thank you, children.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
हाँ बोलो बेटा.
Ma'am, second question, the D part.
Second question, D part.
Keep your word. Ma'am, no. Ma'am, comprehension passage.
Second question, D part. What do you mean by the phrase keep your word? It means keep your promise.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children, so that was all for today's class. Thank you very much. And you may start. पलाश ईश्वरन द स्टोरी टेलर सिलेबस में ही नहीं बेटा, फिर क्यों करेगा ये बता. चलो, you may leave now.